If you know anything about me, you know I love to mock the news, or the media. Well, it's because they love to mock us. See this headline? Just a weather headline. Montreal weather, cloudier by the hour. What is that supposed to mean? Montrealers can expect a sunny Monday morning, a mainly sunny afternoon, and then well. So, I took a couple pictures throughout the day, just to see what well meant, even though I know what it means. So enjoy.
There was a secret court. Journalists weren't allowed to report, but you don't really care for freedom, do ya? Goes like this without the fifth. Gavel falls when they cuff your wrist. It's not okay that this is how they rule ya.
Hello everybody, this is Central Banker. Just another little quick view of this beautiful sky today with all those lovely trails for you. A lot of people don't believe in them, but you know, eventually you'll come to the realization that it is what it is.
Okay, here we are on Friday. It's April the 5th. 2019, and there's some more of these chemtrails going right over our house. Starting to widen out now. It's coming right over our backyard. Full of toxic chemicals coming right down over us. Not just Brinston, Ottawa, Toronto, Montreal, Vancouver, all over Canada, all over the States, and all over the world. People still refuse to accept it.
So I'm here today, sunny, 15 degrees, and 100% chance of chemtrails. You'll almost never see it so obvious, but if you can see that, there are literally chemtrails coming from all directions. 1, 2, 3. It goes all the way across there. Look at that. Look at the one next to it. They all converge. If you look even further down, you can see. So climate change is real, folks. And the reason it's real is because we got fucking UN and whoever these fucking jackasses are throwing chemicals on us all fucking day long. It's no wonder we have climate change. I'm sure cow farts and SUVs might contribute a little bit. Nothing compared to this shit. Nothing compared to this. Look at these fucking chemtrails. I don't care how stupid you are. These are chemicals being thrown on us by the fucking government. You don't have to be smart to be able to see this.
If climate change is the biggest problem in the world, then at least some of the smartest people on the planet are trying to deal with it.
In the hallowed halls of Harvard University, researchers are looking at just how practical and dangerous geoengineering might be.
They fly up into the stratosphere high above us.
The whiteboard theory is that tons of tiny sulfur particles delivered by specially modified planes would lower the Earth's temperature.
Will result in cooling the planet.
It's what happened naturally in 1991 after the Philippines' Mount Pinatubo volcano erupted.
And this gas then reacts in the stratosphere with oxidants and turns into sulfuric acid. For the few years after Mount Pinatubo, the temperature was noticeably lowered and it cooled down the planet. That was one effect that you got from this.
By what degree?
It was you know, it's probably in the range of about half a degree Celsius.
Trouble is, a quick fix like that could have nasty side effects.
And what was also apparent after Mount Pinatubo and other volcanic eruptions is that these particles, in the end, reduce the amount of ozone in the stratosphere. So, you know, we've been trying to do a lot to actually fix the ozone layer. And here you now have the idea of introducing something that could destroy it again. I very often compare stratospheric geoengineering to painkillers. This does not fix the problem, right? It does nothing about CO2 to first order. We're just reducing symptoms, and then human nature can kick in and say, well, you know, it's hard to deal with changing the energy infrastructure, which is very true. It's a huge problem. So we're not there yet, let's wait with that. But what we can do is provide as many facts as possible that can inform us about the risks, that can find ways that perhaps have less risks. But in the end, any decision will always have to be based on imperfect knowledge.
Do you ever feel like this is playing God?
It is. There's a huge amount of hubris in this idea of saying, well, oh, we've caused a problem, let's fix the problem, and I know how to do this. We're going to do this, and we know exactly what's going to happen to the whole planet. Yes, it has a lot of that. It's actually quite unsettling, and quite frankly makes me quite anxious.
Hola, los pilotos.
Sí, aquí están.
Hola. Do you speak English too?
No.
No?
Just give. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. Just a
question to you. Hello.
Hi.
Do you speak English?
Sure, what do you need?
Okay, just a question. Do you know what is a chemtrail?
What?
A chemtrail.
I do know what a chemtrail is.
Yeah, and is it true?
Well, there's a big debate.
Yeah.
Are you filming me?
Maybe. Okay. No.
I want to go on record for that.
Okay. No, but what is your personal opinion of it?
I think there's part of truth.
Part of truth, yeah. Yeah, we should investigate this because when it's true, imagine so many people they suffer of this. Okay.
Yeah, it's a necessary evil, as you could say.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Have a good day, sir.
You too. Thank you.
Sí, por favor.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.